I am one of the propagators here at Burncoose, and I was just going to show you what we have been doing with our rhododendrons and azaleas. So we have just repotted these in the past couple of months into P9s, and as you can see, they're really happy in here. They're all shooting away. You can see the new growth coming. And yeah, super happy. We've popped them in our glass house because it just helps to protect them a little bit in the winter, helps them not get so cold. It's actually really warm in here today, so they're looking great today. And as you can go through, yeah, you can see all the different varieties. We're doing quite a lot this year, so yeah, it's great to see them reshooting. We're actually keeping these ones on a bit of a heat mat as well, just to keep that frost off. Luckily in Cornwall it's been quite mild, so we haven't had anything, but yeah, I think they're doing quite well. I actually noticed this morning that this azalea salmon Kiran has actually started to flower as well. You can see the amazing pink flowers on them. Yeah, so even something, something that looked like it wouldn't come back, something like this. Sometimes you need to just give it a little bit of time, because they will reshoot eventually. And yeah, so you can see all the varieties, they're all back there as well. And it just helps to keep the frost off and keep them alive for the winter.